You're having people over and you can't decide whether you want pizza or you want nachos? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. My Dorito pizza bites, and here's how it's done. So you start by adding pepperoni first to each chip. The next step is the cheese. And then microwave them for 1 to 2 minutes or until the cheese is melted. All right, so the next step is just pour your favorite marinara sauce into a bowl and you're ready for a party. These Dorito pizza bites are so delicious. I wonder what they would be like with Cool Ranch. I want to hear what you think in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We have tons of great recipes. We suggest caprese grilled cheese and Mom's appetizer.